Gather here today to witness yet another key milestone for Ogembo Municipality, the second municipality for Kisii County. Early in the year, in January, I presided over the award of Municipality Charter for Ogembo Town. In accordance with the Urban Areas and City Act, I'm happy today we are unveiling the municipal board for Ogembo so as to actualize the vision we have in the development of Ogembo Municipality. There was a delay in having the municipal board in place due to the absence of the County Public Service Board. I congratulate the incoming chairman and the board members for being successful in getting an opportunity through a competitive process to run the affairs of Ogembo Municipality. And I want to reiterate that yes, the board, you are there. You've got in the office. I know you're going to sit in your first sitting. That's the time you're going to get your chairman. I had, you guys, you have done that already. There is very good campaign among yourselves. Therefore, that day when it comes, go ahead and elect the chairman. Subsequently the vice chair for the functions to start running. I thank the County Assembly and the County Public Service Board for conducting a recruitment process in blind manner. And I want to repeat that they did say, somebody said here, I think is one of the honorable members, no one of you who gave a coin, and if there is any, you have now to state it. All else, keep quiet and abide by the secret of office as you have taken that oath. That is all. Nobody, you not to bribe. We only did our part as an office to get the best to serve us at Ogembo Municipality. I'm happy Mheshimiwa Teresa saying this is not a municipality for the people of Ogembo alone. This is not a municipality for Ogembo. This municipality will serve all the Kenyans, the Kisis and non-Kisis who stay in our region. Therefore, the fallacy that is only for Ogembo, employment, everything, no. But we expect that the Ogembo people to benefit from the services which are going to be given out by the board that we have put in place. Therefore, again, I want to call upon you guys to find it fit to serve these people without partiality. That's my plea. The Ogembo Municipality Board membership is made up of representatives from diverse backgrounds, organizations and associations, including town dwellers, the business community and professionals. Indeed, you have seen it here. There are business people here, the dwellers and professionals. That's where you have seen retired teachers, there are lawyers, there is a doctor here, and the business people. Yes. What we expect of you, bring that synergy together. We realize the dream of Ogembo Municipality. The decision of the board will be implemented by a municipal manager. And I'm directing that today, the board immediately, the Public Service Board, immediately kickstart the recruitment process to identify a municipal manager. Chairman, you are here. I want to direct that yes, with immediate effect, please go ahead, put an advert. We want to get the best. I don't want to get a manager who will start selling old vehicles, all junk of vehicles that we are in Ogembo, even buildings, as it has been happening in this town. Therefore, the manager that we must get is a manager who will actualize the resolutions of the board. So directed. It is important to know that the municipality status for Ogembo is laudable, advancement that will improve our ability to benefit from intercities, all 20-city development and capacity building partnership, both locally and internationally. I want to reiterate of what your MCA of Boch Tendere, what he's saying, that yes, now investors will be coming in, not only within from the country, from even internationally. I promise
Now that you know, I don't know where I am. Am I in the municipality of Kisii or Ogembo?
I'm in between there.
But as a governor, I'll endeavor to make sure we've gotten the best for Ogembo to grow as Kisii is doing the same.
Comparatively, the elevation of Ogembo town to municipality status will attract development project through funding by the county government and development support from partners such as World Bank, Kenya Urban Support Program, among others. When the manager will be in place, I'm sure the one who will be the chairman will inspire the municipality to gain these funds from World Bank, Kenya Urban Support, and other many partners who are ready to support that municipality to grow. The key benefits of the municipality for Ogembo, which I now task the board to pursue, will include donor funding. When you become the chairman, you must lead the team to pursue, receive